ghostly host, Sir Simon Shriek. I and some of my favorite fiends are looking forward to having visitors. We have so few, you see. Behind my mansion doors are many spooky rooms and many hidden surprises. Won't you come in? If you dare. Come in, come in. Don't be frightened. There's no turning back now. Now that you've entered my house of horrors, you must find a way out. To escape, you must find the way to the tower. Move along my howling halls from one eerie room to the next. As you move amid the goons, ghouls, and goblins, be prepared for anything. Whenever you enter a room and land on a black cat, put the player key and room key into the talking tombstone. Then listen carefully. If you do not disturb the spirits, you will hear only dead silence. You may then continue your journey and roll again. But if you awaken them, you will hear the shrieks